So machine learning is actually using a lot of data to do the pattern or trend analysis. Then we come up some prediction modeling. So it helps a lot of organizations in their business cases. Like in my company, we use machine learning to do all the traffic congestion predictive modeling. Also, in the commercial world, we also use machine learning to do the recommendation and segmentation of our customer data. So from the customer touch point, we would like to find out and we would like to predict, or we would like to forecast what is our customer preference based on their customer journeys. And from there, we can do the upsell, cross-sell, introducing a lot of recommendation modeling. Yes, everyone should learn about machine learning because your company one day will turn into a machine learning driven, because we look at both ways, data driven and the business driven. So we will hit at the middle, which is the balance point that I always relate to machine learning. You can use a lot of open source tools that are available today for machine learning. For example, we have TensorFlow, we have PyTorch, or even you can use the Python, which comes with a lot of useful machine learning libraries inside. It is sufficient for you to build your machine learning modeling. Hi, I'm Theng Hui. I'll be teaching in Machine Learning Spark.